Did you know that right now, while you're watching this, people are quietly building small AI automations, turning them into plug-and-play tools, and selling them like hotcakes? And they're doing it without any coding skills. No audience, no big team behind them. The wildest part? Most of them started with just one simple idea. But the real game changer begins when you stop selling one-off tools and start building a line of AI agents, each solving a specific problem and all packaged like a real product suite. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn digital ideas into income using AI, automation, and no-code tools. If that's your vibe, go ahead and subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss a single hack. All right, let's get into it. So, what exactly is an AI agent product line? Well, think of it like this. If just one automation can bring in passive income, imagine having 3, 5, even 10 of them. Each one solving a different problem, each one packaged as a standalone tool or combined in a bundle. That's how creators go from small side hustles to full-blown digital businesses. You're not just making tools, you're building a brand. Let me give you an example. There's a creator who put together a small AI automation that generates custom tweets based on a user's niche and tone. Simple idea. He priced it at $19. Doesn't sound like much, right? But over time, it started to pick up traction. And before long, he'd sold more than 3,000 copies. That's almost $60,000 from just one agent. Now picture this. What if he had a suite of these? One for tweets, one for LinkedIn posts, one for email replies, and another for blog intros, all bundled together in a content automation kit, priced at $49 or $99. That's the power of thinking in product lines, not just individual tools. So how do you build yours? Step 1. Start with one strong idea. Everything begins with a single, clear, useful idea. But let's be real, most people overcomplicate this part. You don't need something super fancy or groundbreaking. What you need is a problem that's boring, annoying, repetitive, or time-consuming. The kind of thing people would pay to never have to do again. For example, say you're a wedding photographer. You're constantly sending out pricing sheets and availability details. That gets old real fast. Now imagine an agent that generates a personalized email or PDF with pricing based on a few quick client inputs. Or maybe you're a freelancer who gets leads through Instagram DMs. You're tired of copy-pasting the same messages over and over. You could create an AI agent that instantly replies with your pricing, availability, and a call to action automatically. Or take real estate agents. Many of them need to send weekly email digests to clients with new listings. What if an agent could generate a personalized summary with links, pricing, and location filters based on each client's preferences? These aren't huge problems, but they are daily problems, and that's what makes them so valuable. Use ChatGPT to outline how the agent should think. If the user says this, then respond with that. Then use make.com to actually build it, no code needed. Keep it minimal, one form, one smart response. Don't try to build a mega agent right away. Just get one small win working and you're in the game. Step 2, turn it into a product. Now that you've got something that works, you need to stop thinking like a builder and start thinking like a seller. This means branding, positioning, and packaging. Start by giving your agent a name that sounds like a solution, not a file name. Don't call it Agent 01 or AI Tool Basic. Give it a name that tells people what it does and why it matters. You want a name that instantly communicates value, something that sounds like it actually solves a problem. For example, instead of a generic label, go with something like Lead Magnet Delivery Bot or Cold DM Generator, or maybe even Review Booster Agent. These names don't just describe the tool, they sell the result. These don't just describe what the tool does, they sell the result. That's the key. Next, add a quick start guide. Record a short walkthrough video using Loom or Canva Video. Even better, host everything in a Notion page that feels like a clean, organized dashboard. People want confidence. They want to open your product and feel like, oh, I can totally use this. And don't forget, you're not selling automation. You're selling outcomes. Clear the path for your customer to get the result as fast as possible. Step 3. Create variations for other problems. Okay, you've sold your first agent. Amazing. Now, let's think long term. What's the next logical step in your customer's journey? If someone just grabbed your lead magnet delivery bot, what are they likely to need next? Maybe a follow-up sequence builder, something that emails leads automatically a few days later with more value, or a limited time offer. If they loved your review booster agent, they might want a testimonial collector bot, a tool that reaches out to satisfied clients and asks for feedback in a structured, elegant way. This is where you stop thinking in terms of one-off tools and start building a system. Each agent leads naturally to the next. That means your products work together and customers have a reason to come back for more. This is exactly how you move from a single product to a product line. Step 4. Make everything easy to use. Here's the deal. Most creators lose people because they make their tools too complicated. It's tempting to add more logic, more features, more customization. But in this game, simplicity sells. Make your agents dead simple. Use platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, or System.io to deliver the files or Notion dashboard. Add a clear checklist or setup flow so the buyer knows exactly what to do after purchase. Include a 2-minute video walkthrough that says, here's what this agent does, here's how to use it, and here's how to get results fast. Want to go even further? Add an Airtable or Google Sheet where buyers can tweak the inputs without messing with the backend. That makes your product feel flexible without adding tech overwhelm. Remember, most of your buyers aren't builders. They just want something that works. Step 5. Build and bundle your product line. Now you've got a few working agents, maybe 3, maybe 5. It's time to connect the dots. Bundle them into a cohesive product suite, something that solves a full category of problems. Let's say your agents are all about helping with lead generation. You could call that bundle the Client Onboarding Automation Pack. If they focus more on content marketing, a name like AI Marketing Agent Suite would work perfectly. And if your tools are designed for beginners who want to start fast, you could package them as the Passive Income Starter Kit. See what I mean? The name should instantly communicate what the bundle does and who it's for. The name of your bundle is everything. It should make your customer think, this is exactly what I need. At this stage, you're not just offering a tool, you're offering a full solution. You've gone from a seller to a brand. Step 6. Set your pricing and scale. This is where many creators get nervous, but don't. People pay for outcomes. And when your tools are easy to use, well packaged, and clearly solve real problems, pricing becomes a no-brainer. Here's a simple pricing ladder you can test. You might sell each individual agent for somewhere between $15 and $29. Then, offer the full bundle for $79. And if you want to take it up a notch, create a premium tier that includes a coaching call, setup support, or even bonus templates, and price that at $149. It gives your buyers options, and it positions you as someone offering real value at every level. Let people choose their level of commitment. And remember, some people will always pay more to go faster. Want proof this works? One creator started by selling a single Notion template focused on helping digital freelancers stay organized. Then she made a few more tools that complemented the first one. Eventually, she bundled everything into a system and branded it as a complete solution. Within a few months, that bundle alone became her main income stream, bringing in well over $200,000 without any ads or a big team. The framework doesn't change, whether it's Notion, templates, or AI agents. When you position your tools as a system, people will pay for the full stack. And now, so can you. Sell on autopilot. You don't need to go viral, you don't need to dance on TikTok, but you do need to get eyes on your product. Start with visibility. Post short, practical videos on YouTube showing your agent in action. Create Twitter threads where you explain how the agent solves real-world problems. Share case studies on Reddit or Indie Hackers about how your workflow saves time or makes money. As you grow, build a simple email list. Offer a free starter agent in exchange for an email. Then launch new agents, bundles, or upgrades directly to that list. Because here's the truth. Most people don't want to build anything. They want something that's already done for them. And that's your edge. If you build a solid line of agents, keep things clean, simple, and focused on outcomes, you're no longer just a creator. You're a digital product business. And the best part? Once it's built, it works around the clock. Now, if you're serious about turning this idea into real income, I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a premium step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to choose the right agent idea, build it using no-code tools, package it like a real product, and most importantly, sell it on autopilot. You'll find everything you need to fast-track your first digital product and skip the guesswork. Just check the pinned comment below for details. And before you go, let me ask you something. What kind of AI agent would you build first? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching all the way through. Now go build your AI agent line and let's profit.